In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the regional settings, currency, and site language in Squarespace. We'll be working inside your Squarespace dashboard, and this process is useful if you want your website to better match the country you operate in, the time zone you use, the language your visitors see, and the currency your store charges in. To begin, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This opens the main configuration area for your site. From there, click on regional settings. This section controls details like your country and time zone, which can affect how parts of your site behave and display information. Once you're in regional settings, click on country. A list will appear and you can select the country you want your site to use. After that, click on time zone and choose the correct time zone for your business or location. It's a good idea to double check this, especially if you schedule content, appointments, or store-related activity that depends on accurate timing. When both of those settings look right, click Save. Next, go back to Website. Inside the website settings, click on Site Languages. This is where you control the language setting for your site interface. Click the current language, then choose the language you want from the available options. This can help create a better experience for your audience if your site needs to match a specific region or customer base. Once you've selected the correct language, click Save Again. Now, let's update the store currency. From the settings area, click Selling and then select Payments. In the Payment section, click on Store Currency. This opens the currency settings for your online store. From here, click on Currency, then choose the currency you want to use for your products and checkout. This is an important setting for e-commerce because it affects how prices are displayed to customers and how your store is aligned with your business region. After selecting the right currency, click Save. And that's it. You've now updated your country and time zone and regional settings, changed your site language, and set your store currency in Squarespace. If you're making several updates at once, take a moment to review each section before leaving the settings page, just to make sure everything has been saved correctly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.